So today I will discuss about binary subtraction. What topic today I will discuss? Binary subtraction. So first I am taking one example. So listen carefully. Suppose I have 1 0 1 and we will subtract 1 1. Okay? Okay. Hello. So how to we subtract it? So first listen carefully. Suppose if we will subtract 1 minus 1, then 0. Okay. Next, 0 is here, here is 1. So it is not possible na. So we will take carry. So if we will take carry, then here will comes 2. Okay. How much come here? And here will 0. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. And here 0 will comes. Any problem? All of you understood? Yes. So how to we check this answer is correct or not? How to we check? Listen. So first here we will convert binary to decimal. 1 into 2 the power of 2 is 0. 1 and 1 into 2 the power 2. Okay. Then here 2 2 is 4 plus 0 plus 1 means 5. Okay. Okay. Understood? Then 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. If we will subtract 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So in binary, we will convert 2, then 1 times remainder is 0. Again, we will divide 0, then here remainder is 1. So answer is in binary 0, 1, 0. Okay? Okay? Yes. So this method we will use to subtract binary subtraction. So next question, how to multiply? All of you understood now? All of you understood? Yes. Yes. Next topic we will discuss about binary multiplication. Binary binary multiplication. What is the rules to solve binary multiplication? 0 into 0 is equal to 0. 0 into 1 is equal to 0. 1 into 0 is equal to 0. And 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Okay? Yes. Next. So one question I am writing here. Suppose I have one questions 1 1 0 1 0 1. We will multiply with 1 0 1. Okay? So multiply same multiplication methods. 1 into 1 right here 1, 1 into 0 0, 1 0 1 1. Okay, and then 0 with 0 0 0 0 0 and 0. Again multiply with 1. So 1 into 1 1, 0 1 0 1 1. Okay, any problem? Yes, after multiplication we will add here now. Yes, so 1 here, so 1, write down 1. Here is 0. 1 into 1 plus 1 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 0, not 2. 1 plus 1, I am already discussed during binary addition time. 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry is 1. Okay, so carry is 1. Here is 0 but carry is 1 now. So write there 1. Okay, again 1 plus 1 is 0, carry is 1. Yes. Again here 1 and 1, here is 0 now. So 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry is 1. And here also 1 plus 1 is 0, carry is 1. And 1 plus 1 is 0, carry is 1. So carry right here. Understood? Any problem here? All of you understood? Yes. Yes. Okay. I will again try. Okay, look here. Here written 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1. Okay, same multiplication form multiply. जैसे suppose next one more example I am taking here. Okay, suppose I am taking 1 1 0 0 1 and multiply with 1 1. Okay, so 1 into 1 1 0 0 1 1. Any problem? Again 1 0 0 1 1. Any problem? Write 1. Here is 0 1 0 1 and next 1 1 0. Carry is 1. Yes. Again 1 1 0. Carry is 1. So carry right here. Any problem? All of you understood how to be multiply binary multiplication? Any doubt? Okay, so very easy method to solve these questions. Okay, understood? One more question I am discussing. One more question. Now I am discussing one more questions. Suppose we are taking 1 1 1 and here we will write 1 0. Very easy. 0 0 0. 1 into 1 1. 1 into 1. Yes. Already I am discussed. Yes, 1 into 1 is 1. Any problem? And write, suppose if you want to solve in another method also we will solve. So here is 1. So write 1 into 2k power 0, 1 into 2k power 1 and 1 into 2k power 2. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 means 7. And here 0 into 2k power 0, 1 into 2k power 1, that means 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. After add 9 here, okay? 9 here comes. So you are already know now how to be convert decimal to binary. So 2 4 times remainder 1. 2 2 times remainder is 0. 2 1 times remainder is 0. Again 2 0 times remainder is 1. Okay, so answer will come 1 0 0 1. Okay, understood? अभी जो बताए नहीं समझ में आया? ओके, फिर से हम बता रहे हैं, देखिए। वन मोर क्वेश्चन आई एम टेकिंग, लिसन केयरफुली। सबको दिख रहा है? आई एम राइट 1 0। नहीं, कैसे दिख रहा है जी? दिखा? ओके, मल्टीप्लाई विथ 1 0। So 0 into 0 0 0 0. Here is 0 1 1. So 0 0 1 and 1. This is answer now. How to be check it is correct or not? So we will convert 0 into the power of 2 is 0, 1 into the power of 2 is 1, 1 into the power of 1 is 2. Okay. So here is 4, 2 and here 0 means 6. And 1 here, sorry, 0 into 2 ke power 0 plus 1 into 2 ke power 1 means 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Total is 8. Okay. Okay. So convert 8 in binary. So 2 4 times 0 remainder. 2 2 times remainder is 0. 2 1. Oh, sorry. Here is multiplication now, not addition. Here is multiplication now. So multiply 6 into 2, 12 now. Multiplication, then we will take 12, 2 6 times 0, 2 3 times remainder is 0, 2 1 times remainder 1. Yes, 2 0 times remainder is 1. Okay. Okay. So answer will come 1 1 0 0. Okay. Any problem? No, no. Yes. Oh my God. Here is also 7 2 is 14. Okay. So convert 14 in decimal number system. 2 7 0 2 3 1 2 1 1 2 0 1. So answer will come 1 1 0. Understood? Any problem? Next, binary division. Okay. Binary division. Okay. Already here questions given. Now I will check it is correct or not. Okay. So this is this number we will take 1 1 0 0 and we will divide by 1 0. Okay. Okay. Yes. So in division always we will divide how many times? 1 times or 0 times? 1 times and 0 times, no more times. Okay. Okay. Look here. How to we divide? So first we will 1 times we will take, then write here 1 0. Okay. And subtract it. 1 minus 0 is 1 and here is 0. Again 1 0 will come. How many times? 1 times. So subtract 0 0 and 1 0 will come. Okay. Then 0 times we will solve it. Then 0 0. Okay. Okay. So this is your answer. Understood? Any problem? One more question I am discussing. 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. So we will divide how many times? 1 times now. Subtract 1 minus 1 is 0 here. Any problem? Yes, यहाँ से. Because here is 1 0 and here is 1 1. So 1 1 is more na. So we will write in next digit. Okay. Yes. So according to the division, same process here. In division also same process na. Okay. So subtract, and here is 0 and here is 1. But it is not possible to subtract. Then we will take carry. So if we will take carry, then how much we will get? 2 na. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. And 1 will carry here. Put here. Again 1 times we will divide. Then write 1 1. Then subtract. 1 minus 1 is 0 and 2 here will come. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Any problem? 0 will comes. Oh my god. We are already discussing binary subtraction. You are not present there. मल्टीप्लीकेशन तो आप बीच में आइएगा तो आपके लिए मैं फिर से बैक जाऊं, बताइए. If we will take carry na, then 2 will come. Okay. Yeah. So 1 0 0 here will come. Again how many times we will divide? So 1 times, we'll write here 1. So here is 0 minus 1, not possible. Then he will ask carry. It will ask carry here. Here is also not present. Then it will gives. So here will 2 comes. Okay. And it 2 also will give here 2. And here will keep here 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. And here is also 0. Any problem? And again 1 will keep here. How many times? 1 time. So 1 1 solve, 0 0. 0 is the remainder. This is your answer. I think all of you understood. Any problem? All of you understood? Any doubt in this topic? Okay. So dear students, tomorrow everyone complete all exercise. All exercise will solve. Okay. Complete exercise. All question answer. Each and everything's complete and send in group. हाँ, चैप्टर में बस इतना ही है। आपके पास बुक नहीं है? देखिए चैप्टर में कितना है। ओहो हो, क्या है बहुत सारा? क्या है? तो क्वेश्चन आंसर कम। हाँ, नहीं हो जाएगा आप लोग से? क्वेश्चन आंसर तो ऑलरेडी बताया हुआ है जी। ऑलरेडी बताया हुआ है सब क्वेश्चन आंसर, बीच में ही बहुत सारा क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कस किए हैं। ड्यूरिंग explanation time already discussed many question answer. Okay, so all of you solve it. All exercise question answer solve. Fill in the blanks. All objective question, each and everything will solve and send in group. Okay, any problem? हाँ, हाँ हाँ, तो यस यस, सब पेयर कॉपी में ही लिखना है। जंबल वर्ड जो भी है नहीं बनेगा, फिर मैं बताऊंगा। फर्स्ट यू विल ट्राई इट। पचवा भी बनेगा, आप बनाइएगा सब बन जाएगा। नहीं बनेगा तो फिर मैं बताऊंगा। ओके। ओके। नहीं बनेगा हम बताएंगे, घबराने की बात नहीं है। ऑल क्वेश्चंस those who are not able to solve, I will solve it. Okay, first you will try it, then I will solve. Next day I will start new chapter. Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you students. Yes. Okay, thank you.